I want to give you a little bit of the inspiration of it. This foundation is about the future. As Larry said today, it's about growth. Growth of people, growth of this nation, growth of its ideas, and growth of opportunity. So every single person in America from any background can participate in what the American dream is meant to be. The foundation is about seeking solutions that are rooted in our past, our American ideals, going right to the place that Dad loved to quote and always did, wherever he was, the Declaration of Independence. The ideas of equality, of life, of liberty, of the pursuit of happiness, which he called the pursuit of property. I think that was when he was at HUD. Our democracy, our free enterprise system, and incentive-based, this is what my mom said they should have named supply-side economics. Incentive-based economics. Anyone can figure that out. Put an incentive out there, we can grow the economy. The rising tide lifts all boats, the pie gets bigger, we can take a smaller piece, and everyone makes out well. My mom taught me that, and my dad got all the credit. And these ideas are not for the American people alone, and they're not for this time alone, they're for all people, for all time. The Kemp Foundation plans to energize young people through the Library of Congress effort, through the forum, with the civil dialogue of ideas, attacking ideas but not attacking people. Seeking solutions that with better ideas we can transcend the bad or the dumb ideas, as Dad called them. There's plenty of them, but we can win with better ideas. And ultimately, it's about growth. This foundation is participatory. We need your help. So that's what the Jack Kemp Foundation is about, the continuation, the advancement with our family, our friends, and many entrepreneurial patrons to seek solutions and fulfill the cause. Jimmy Kemp is leading the charge. The mission is threefold: the Kemp Papers and the Fellowship. The Library of Congress is the anchoring for that effort and venture. The number two aspect is the Kemp Forum, which is debates, civil dialogue, seeking synthesis and solutions with people from different walks of life, testing long-term solutions in a civil way to set an example for our country. That will be exciting. And finally, the Kemp Initiatives, challenging the next generation of leaders to try out solutions with free enterprise around the world.